Still working on saving data to the hard disk. Let's look over the code. So we're on Delta 397. We're going to look at every single piece of code we've changed since the previous video. So we are inside of the re-entrant task for save box disk. We're in here, and all we're doing in this step is copying the pixels from the master memory into miscellaneous pixel 0, which is a 512 by 512 buffer. We're going to copy only from the central level pack in our renderable space, and that's h3x, h3y equal to 1, 1. Here is, so when you see a 0, that's the destination. When you see a 1, that's the source. So here's our destination and source arrays. Here's the maximum pixel index. Here is the pixel index. Here is the XY coordinate of destination, XY coordinate of the source, and here's our pixel indexes, our component indexes. So we're going to loop through every single pixel index. We're going to get the destination coordinate, which is on a 512 by 512. So we take the index modulo by 512 to get the x, divide by 512 in floor to get the y, right? And to get this coordinate here on the source is in a 2048 by 2048, so we need a global coordinate. We're going to take the hotel cell and multiply by 512 because each hotel cell is 512 by 512 pixels, and then we're going to add this local offset to get this global coordinate. Then we're going to convert the XY coordinates into one-dimensional coordinates, multiply by 4 to get the component index, and then we'll copy from the source into the destination. So here's the base address of our pixel, red, green, blue, alpha byte, red, green, blue, alpha byte, just copying over from the source to the dest. And that's all we're doing in this video. So here's what we did previously, and then here's what we did in this video. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.